happy years, I kept them in my heart. Yeah, the time of our lives, it was all that fun.
Morning, day 2. Can you wonder guess? Can you wonder guess where we're going today? That's right. Hollywood Studios. Nope. Animal Kingdom. So our eyes are very red this morning because we've both been battling trying to put our contact lenses in, and we're a bit. Well, yours is like down now. So yeah. Don't know why I would have told you that, but hey. So yeah, off to Animal Kingdom this morning, today. Not too sure what we're doing this evening. But we've got our new Magic Bands on.
Oh, wrong one. Gone for the Magic Band Plus.
Yeah, so we'll see how these work. Tickets linked, photo passes, because we didn't have them yesterday. And we've missed some of our photos on rides, haven't we?
Yeah, the ones where you don't scan for, but it automatically picks you up. Didn't seem to work with a ticket, but it worked for Matt and Ali, and they've got the Magic Band, so we're guessing that's the weak link. And I want to do the game where you collect the golden statues, so
yeah, there we go. So yeah, so we've got heading off to Animal Kingdom, and we will check in with you guys later. We just want to say a quick thank you to everybody for just sharing, liking our vlogs that we've been posting, and sharing our day, into groups and everything. Our first day just went crazy this morning when we woke up, with all the likes, comments, shares. It was, very much appreciated. So thank you very much. We'll pop that in now.
it seems that everybody is enjoying them, and I enjoy writing them because it's nice to look back on and try and remember the day. So it's amazing how much you do forget in a day.
It is, especially with how busy you guys saw our day 1 was with what we went on. Yes, we probably didn't vlog as much as we did, but it's been 3 years since we've been out. We're trying to enjoy it as well, but also take you guys along with us and stuff like that. So yeah. But that's day 1. We've got plenty more days ahead, so we'll take you along. So, first time we've seen these. The new blue road signs.
Still prefer the purple. Blue's fine, but purple's nicer. It's just more unique, I think.
These are the purple ones, the old ones. There we go, there's the old ones. We're at Animal Kingdom.
Yes, we are.
I've got my sunglasses today, I don't know why, but maybe looking for a bit of sunshine. Don't look too bad today. But we did look at the weather that it's going to rain for the next couple of days, and then no rain for the rest of it, so we shall see. But now let's head over. Oh, birds.
A bit bitter though. Shaky tomato.
Yep. Oh my god, that's got coffee in it! That's what his face said!
Not a fan?
Huh?
Not a fan of the shaky jakey?
It tastes stronger over here than ours at home. Don't know why, but I've got hot chocolate.
Magical celebration.
A little barge surprise from good old Mickey Mouse and Minnie.
What does the lion say?
So now, the tree of life, guys. So we've just done Everest, which good. So we're going to go and do it again. Oh, you can tell by my hair, we've just done it.
Yeah, the same guy knocked us both out of the picture.
So we're going to do it again. He had his hands up. And it was Matt's first time. Did you like it?
Oh yeah, it looks so good, I'm going to do it again.
And we are! Thanks. So yeah. Let's go. Welcome back to our vlog at Animal Kingdom. So we've just done Everest for the second time in a row. Poor Matt.
I know.
Oh.
It was a bit much.
That was cruel but great.
It was. The ride itself was brilliant the second time round. It was a lot faster.
One time only.
Matt is a one and done Everest.
Bless him. But no, proud of him. Proud of him going on
He
it.
did really good.
So, and then while I was in the queue, my contact lens had folded, so I was trying to put that in that dark queue ride, put it back in. That was a bit of a challenge.
It
but we
was.
did it.
Yes,
I
it
did
was.
So now they've just nipped to the new to sort themselves out. And Mitch just got to flip his contact lens.
You can edit that bit.
No, Mitch will do that in. Them boys together, eh? So then we're, a knee rider. Knee rover. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
That was pretty cool, yeah.
And then I think we're going to do a little show now or something like that.
Yeah, something a bit more
It's
laid
tough to be a
back.
bug.
Yes.
And then we can go back round again, can't we?
Yep.
And then by the time we've done them bits, we can go to get the next snack.
Yes.
Sounds like a plan.
Plan.
So, yeah.
It's alright.
So we've managed to work out how to do our Magic Plus Disney things with the statues. There's only 4 in Magic Kingdom, Animal Kingdom. So
You have
we've
to quite vigorously wave at them.
yeah, and change a setting in your app.
Yes. So
Um,
that it takes motion easier.
So then now we're just going to do It's Tough to Be a Bug. We did sit down and watch a bird show, but I don't know where they've gone.
So we were doing Tough to Be a Bug, but then Click had some leakage. He screamed something out of him, and then the lights
is that
came
what
on,
happened?
Yeah.
and we were kicked out. So now we wandered around to Satuli Canteen, which is our first time eating here. And we've ordered Cheeseburger Pods to share, and the Blueberry Cheese Mousse. And the cherry cake. So we did it on mobile order again, because
It seems to be quicker.
yeah. Although our return time wasn't until between 11:10 and 20 to 12, it let us say that we were here 5 minutes early, so result. So the food's here, arrived really quickly. Nice with proper plates. There's our pods, crisps. There's I'm going to cut into a pod. I'm hoping they're not going to be too cheesy. Looking alright. The inside. Let you know what it's like.
They're good.
Very nice. Doesn't taste cheesy.
No, tastes the gherkin.
Can't say the crisps are good. Try the slaw. Apparently we did have a slaw, we didn't change it. Just
You didn't edit.
not the nicest slaw, I think.
No. What does it taste? Oh, okay.
What's it like?
Should we try a bit?
What's it got in it?
Not really sure.
I'm not trying it, but... Sorry. Just flipped a bit in your...
Let me clean your plate, please.
No, you're alright, I got it.
Oh.
Thanks, Seth. Oh, it's tangy.
It's nice. I like that ball. That's a nice ball.
Mango, passion fruit.
That's a nice ball.
So now,
The mousse.
yeah, mousse, whatever it is. I'm not looking
There's a
forward
meringue on the top.
I'm not looking forward to this.
I think that's banana.
What's banana?
There's a
There's
little
little
yellow.
yellow bits around the outside. I think that's the banana. I don't think it's in the cake.
Oh, cool.
Smells very blueberry.
What's this?
White chocolate, I think. Oh, it's nice.
Don't have it.
Make sure you get a bit of yellow as well with passion fruit.
Here.
Try a bit?
What flavour is this one?
Blueberry and
Blueberry.
passion fruit.
Yeah, you can do that possible.
No?
So not for you.
Have a drink.
What's the yellow bit?
Passion fruit.
Oh, no.
Doing well on snacks.
Can I just
Dip it in my coolie.
In your what?
That texture is horrible.
It's a very weird texture.
I'm not a fan of the texture, but the flavour is really good.
Yeah.
I love blueberries, but nah.
It's very thick.
It's like a
I like
yellow
it thick.
than a mousse, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like a mousse with gelatin in.
That
Yeah.
tastes to me like that texture's like a blancmange.
Yes.
I don't like blancmange.
They should be clearer about that because I think. Right.
That I would have had with
This is
chocolate.
nice. I think from your perspective, where it said you're not keen on banana, I think they should be clearer that the banana is actually like a schmear.
Schmear.
Schmear around the
garnish.
plate. It is. It's actually really nice. It's like smushed banana. Sorry.
Smushed banana.
My voice from the side. It's like smushed banana around the edge of the plate. But the dome itself is really good, like texture-wise. That's like when
That's
you
not a
slice
mousse.
into it, you can see like it's a clear slice.
Yeah.
That is a shame.
Let me try it.
What's that?
I think it's white chocolate, but green.
Oh, okay.
So, that's how
And that's meringue.
Oh,
blah, blah.
that would have been a no for me. Don't like meringue.
I like it.
I'm so pleased you like it.
Got a night blossom. Yeah, I like it. We've not had one of these before. Oh, it's wetter than I expected. I'll try a ball first too.
Does your sound effect?
Oh, they're nice. They're nice balls.
I don't like how it bursts in your mouth like a zip.
Selling it.
Ah. Now I said it, you can say yeah.
Hashtag Dr. Pimple Popper.
It's more like a really big ulcer.
Ah.
Don't really get zits in my mouth. Oh, and it's apple and pear limeade, by the way. Oh, that reminds me of, I want to say a Twister ice cream.
Twister, that's it.
That's what it tastes like.
Oh, it's sour, tart.
Tart.
That's
Oh,
good.
it's good.
Sugar rush. So we've left Animal Kingdom, we're on our way to the outlets, and it is only lunchtime. However, ride waits were quite long, busy.
I think pretty much everything was well over an hour, wasn't it?
Yeah, and with it being a weekend and stuff, and it's going to rain in a couple of hours, they said anyway. So what we're going to do is fill our time and go to the outlets, see what we've got there, and then I don't know what we're going to do this afternoon. We have got Magic Kingdom and the fireworks booked in for the first time, but if it's raining, trickling it down. So I think today's just going to be a bit of a guessing game afternoon. So yeah.
Traffic. Excuse me.
Let's end it here. Mitch is having a coffee fit.
So, first things first. This is a reminder to me to put in the Krispy Kreme footage that we've put in, that we did on the phone. Hi, are you okay? Green Krispy Kreme, let me just have a sip of our Fanta, the right colour it's meant to be. And we're going to try the churro donuts, which actually end today, so that's why we had to come out here today and find them.
On a Sunday, they do Sundays only. They do cinnamon swirl. We're gonna have to come here on Sunday. When's Sunday? Tomorrow.
So these are our donuts. What's that one?
I'm waiting for it to come up on the board. Oh, here we go. Churro and cinnamon sugar.
Yeah.
Is that one?
Yeah.
Cookies and cream.
Yeah.
And dulce de leche.
Yummy, yummy. And in that one, we've got a pumpkin spice. Hang on, let me take a picture.
I've taken a picture.
Okay. Liam's on it.
I'm on it. Okay.
So it's starting with cookies and cream. Oh. Eager beaver. Is it nice?
Yeah. Your turn.
I don't know if I'm going to be able to eat all of these. It actually is like buttery, more buttery than I expected. Not as chocolatey as I expected. It's nice though. Oh, he's just torn that one.
Oh.
Better than cookies and cream?
Yep.
There was no doubt.
Oh my god.
So that one's nicer.
It is nicer. But the aftertaste is a bit clinical.
I don't understand where the idea of them being churros has come from. Because I expected it to be like a different kind of maybe
Chewy.
donut batter. Yeah, I thought the donut batter or something would be different, but looking at it, just looks like a normal donut and tastes like a normal donut. Nice. And the final one.
Which is dulce de leche.
Is it good?
That is the best one.
Glad to save it to last. Is that bacon on top?
No. It's churro bites.
Oh, is it? That makes sense.
Oh, Mitch. Yeah.
It's not the first time I've heard that.
You're not having them bits. Oh. So it's Mitch's 10.
I'm expecting greatness now.
Oh, I'll tell you what, you won't be disappointed.
Either that or I'm going to get told off like you don't deserve to eat the rest of it and you'll
Very
take it
true.
off me. Already I can taste it's better. Oh, that is pure sugar. That is lovely. The other two, I wouldn't have again. This one, I'd have a dozen of. Caramel reminds me of the Tesco Finest caramel sauce.
Krispy Kreme UK, please make these.
And then maybe we'll then say your name properly. After that, we've been to Krispy Kreme, like you've just seen. It was very good.
Yummy.
Yeah, not much more to say that we haven't covered in the video.
Just that we need it. We need it
Yeah.
in UK. The
So-
churro one.
I mean, I could just take this out and make it all look much more professional, but where's the fun in that? So we've been to the outlets. We haven't told you about that. We've done a bit of shopping because the rain came down, so we left Animal Kingdom. We did say that, didn't we?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So done a bit of shopping at the outlets, been to Krispy Kreme, and now we're back at Animal Kingdom. We thought, well, we've paid for parking for a day, we may as well go to a park. And do kind of want to see Pandora at night, so this is our best chance because it's the latest it's open while we're here. And because we paid for parking, so we came and got to the booze, no one was there. So
It is 6 o'clock.
yeah, and the park's only open for another 2 hours. So, but we're wandering. The rain seems to be holding off again for a bit, so hopefully that's it done for the day.
If not, we can't keep on dodging it, so it's tough piddies.
Exactly. So I'll just share with you where we're parked because, well, it won't mean much to me when I do
Peacock
it.
110 again.
Peacock 110, you joking?
No.
How weird. This is where we were this morning. Well, we were Peacock 111, so we're actually closer tonight than we were this morning. Right, we'll see you in the park.
I don't think it's going to be that hard.
No, I'm not convinced. It's going to be our best opportunity then.
Camera drop.
For those of you thinking of Magic Band Plus, it's already started vibrating because we're nearing statues. Show you one. Bumper and Bamba. If I wave vigorously, nothing happens. Absolutely nothing. They just want you to look a pillock, I'm sure. Okay, time check, we're joining the queue at 30 minutes. And the time is 18:03. So let's see how it is. One thing I will say, it's wet. These floating mountains like to drip. A bit like Flick earlier, but not quite as much. So time check is 18:09, so what's that, 7 minutes?
7 minutes of just constant walking.
Yeah, this is the first time we've hit a crowd, so we've just stopped and we're obviously inside already, through the caves and into the forest. So, yeah, 7 minutes.
Floating mountains.
Yeah.
We're in the room just before you see the Avatar guy in the tube.
So yeah, 7 minutes at this point,
We don't know names because we've only seen Avatar once.
And it was about 6 months ago?
Yeah.
I don't know if we'll do a refresher before the second film.
I don't know because I quite enjoyed it.
Yeah, I do.
Not as boring as I thought it was going to be.
We'll time check at the tank. So time check and tank check. Obviously the tank is not there. But time is 18:28, so don't think we're going to get on in a half hour. But it did say 40 minutes as we were heading here, and then it dropped to 30 by the time we got here.
We're starting to go in numbers in lines.
Oh, we are already in numbers though. So, it might be tight. If we can get on in 5 minutes, then we've done it in 30. So it's 6:33, and that's a half hour, but we're not on the ride. However, we're right there. And technically the ride starts at the pre-show, so it's not far out.
So yeah, probably 5 minutes.
Good going. Happy with that, considering it was well over an hour earlier, wasn't it?
An hour and 20, wasn't it?
Yeah, so the rain cleared some people out and made way for us.
Hey! So it's 6:54. We've done the ride. I'm just walking back down the queue. Lost my words.
That was really good this time.
It was a lot better.
The first time we did it,
Sock.
we loved it and we raved about it and we saw it, understood why everyone raved about it. Last time we did it, it was a bit like, meh, I don't even know why we were so hyped about it. And then this time it's like, oh, that's why we were. I think maybe our banshee wasn't working properly last time because
We felt the drops more, the smell more. I don't know what's happening on my hair today.
everything was just a lot better.
Yeah, drops, breathing,
Smells.
smells. Oh, the smell. If they do a candle in there, I've got to get it.
It was so good.
It was.
Really, really glad we came back and did that again.
So, and then now, I think we're going to. You want to see it at night, don't you, Pandora?
Yeah.
So
We're hoping it gets a little bit darker in the next hour because it closes at 8. We've never seen Pandora at night, so it would be nice to see some of it glow.
Well, the lights are starting to come on now, but
It is looking good.
we're not too sure. So just see what opens.
See what the gherkins.
See what we do.
I don't know, that's what it sounded like you said to me. So
So we've just done Tough to Be a Berg, and then we've just had some lights in front of the lights. Photos in front of the Tree of Life.
in
Not Tree of
Fabulous
Life.
tonight.
Oh, fabulous.
Fabulous.
And then I'll just come on and look. I love ducks. A little Disney duck. Oh, he's just done a poo. It's great. Thanks for sharing that with me. Oh, there's 2 more over there. Look. So yeah, and our magic bands keep on lighting up. Is it probably because we're near the Tree of Life? Mitch is lining up too. Oh no, I don't know.
No, Mum was lining up.
Don't know why, but just keeps on regularly doing it.
A little bit of a good vibration. Colourful vibration.
So now we're going to go back into Pandora because we want to see it lit up, and it actually has got quite dark quite quick.
Yeah.
So it doesn't look quite dark behind us, but turn it around. So we're waiting for it to get a bit darker. So Navi River's only 5 minutes and we're not done it yet. So we're going to do that. But just walking through the queue. Lovely. So we've just done Navi River, and just within them 10 minutes, because it was a complete walk on. Look how dark it is now. It's funny that when it gets, you know, later in the day it gets darker. Even the puff's going.